That lovely smell of cow poo. It sure does work wonders. Now it's time to spread everything together, mix it all up. I'm just gonna take this little thing right here and we're just gonna mix it all in. Looks like the cat is over there already fertilizing my beds. Hey, what are you doing? Are you coming to help? You gonna come help? So far, so what we got going here, still mixing it in. All the amendments. Almost done. I'm breaking down all these limbs out here and turning them into these just plain sticks. And these are what I'm going to use for the border of my beds. One stick at a time. So after a late night of clearing the spot over here, I got all these sticks, and this is how I wanted to do my border. I've got a lot more sticks that I've got to add, and as we know that this is going to degrade into the soil and become mulch, and so it's going to be always adding, but that's okay, because I like to go in the woods over in Ocala and clearing out some of these limbs that aren't needed out there. Wouldn't be a bad thing. So I did this all the way around. Then we had some big logs, but not sure if I really like the big logs. I think I like how it looks with the littler logs better. These are just things, limbs and sticks and stuff that I've been gathering since I moved in, because this is what I wanted to use it for. I wanted to make a border out of it. I thought it would be pretty neat. I still have a little bit left to go, but for now, that's what it looks like around. And one thing about artwork that I can say is that good artwork, good creations aren't just made. They actually, when you start them, you have the idea, but once it starts going, it kind of gets a mind of its own and a life of its own. And when it starts taking that life of its own, and then it starts telling you what to do. If you're an artist, I think you might understand what I'm saying. Sometimes I can't get my words right, but I think you get the gist of it. So this is what I was up doing all night by the fire. And this is how I'm going to do my border. So I just wanted to share with you some different ideas that can be done if you don't want that look of, if you want to keep a natural look. And that's what I'm trying to do out here. Everybody kind of keeps their yards natural in the neighborhood. It's not an HOA, but I still want to have a little bit of conformity, I guess you could say. And that's kind of odd coming from me because I'm a random abstract. If you have ever had your personality in the military, you can have a personality test. I had mine done through an organization called Valor. It's for combat veterans coming back from war, and for first responders, because they actually go to war every day here where we live. But yeah, what was I saying about? Ah, yes, random abstract. I like things a little disorganized, but I can tell that I know where everything's at, but it looks like a mess to everybody else. I guess they call it an organized mess. But anyways, here we are. I still have to add some black cow to right here where you see the white stuff. That's the bone meal. I have to mix this part in, but today I'm taking a break. Today. I just wanted to share with you what I was doing with the border and to let you all know that there's more than one way to get her done, and this is the way I'm doing it today. Have a blessed day. Stay hydrated. And remember to thank your Lord Jesus Christ for everything.